If you're thinking of changing the diff oil on your Subaru, you may want to consider buying a 13mm square socket instead of using a half-inch socket. Using a 13mm square socket for the Subaru rear differential offers several advantages. Perfect fit. The 13mm square socket is specifically designed for the size and shape of the differential plug, ensuring a snug fit. This reduces the risk of stripping the plug or damaging the fastener. Torque accuracy. A 13mm square drive allows for more precise torque application, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of the differential seal. Using the wrong size can lead to over-tightening or under ease of access. The design and size of a 13mm socket can provide better access in tight spaces around the differential, making it easier to work without risking damage to nearby components. Design for purpose. Subaru vehicles are often engineered with specific tools in mind for maintenance tasks. Using the recommended socket ensures compatibility with the vehicle's design and minimizes potential issues. Prevent slippage. A square socket generally provides a better grip on the plug, reducing slippage and making it easier to loosen or tighten stubborn plugs. Overall, using a 13mm square socket tailored for the job will improve efficiency, safety, and the effectiveness of your maintenance work on the Subaru rear differential.